Hey guys, this is Yamatech back with a new review. Actually, not a review, but an unboxing of this headphone. And here you see my old weared out headphones. I've been using these so much every day. They still are good, very nice. I really love the Sony headphones. But as you know, I mean, I cannot walk like this anymore, you know, so it was time for me to order a new one. First of all, I mean, let's show all sides. Looks pretty nice. I've seen some great reviews and seen some good documentation, and I also went to the shop to just try it out. Like I mentioned, I tried this one together with the other one, the WHH900MX2, I believe, which is called. And I'm gonna tell you, while I'll unpack this, I'm gonna tell you why I've chosen this one. Personally, first of all, Sony. I really like the Sony headphones. I really enjoyed these old. Let's see, these were the MDR ZX750BN. I really like these, but as you see, I mean, these are all worn out. They still work though, but yeah, I mean, come on. It's so what I'm going to try with these is actually I'm gonna take them apart and I'm gonna see if I can fit them or customize it into my motorcycle helmet. Just gonna try it out. Maybe I'll make a video of that. We'll see. Okay, so the reason I chose this one is, of course, my experience with Sony headphones. I tried these out. Let's see, wait, let me open this one. Oops. A bit too I'm too fast and I don't want to read stuff, so but I mean the box looks nice. I mean the Bluetooth, NFC, H.ear audio, of course all the usual things. Noise cancelling was also pretty good at this one. So okay, let's see. Boom! All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, they looked very nice. I was, yeah, I was looking into the colors. I actually like this color very much. It's classy. You can use it with all kinds of clothings. You know, you need to be a bit fashionable as well. So the difference between this one and the 1000, let's just call it the 1000 instead of just calling it the whole name. The headbands are a bit thicker. I like that personally. I like it if it's a bit more robust. Quality is almost the same, except this one is the 1000 has this leathery kind of texture, but the functionalities are basically the same. All options are the same, except this one has a bit more bass. This one also, I was so afraid of doing these type of things with all my headphones, but then I actually tested it out, and it's yeah, they're made for that. I like the head cushions, so it's over the ear headphones. Okay, so let's see what else. Booklets, your standard cables. This is the USB, the headphone jack. Okay. And yeah, of course, the pouch. I mean, this is very different. In the 1000 you get a nice case for your headphones, and for this one you get just a pouch. I'm okay. I mean, it's okay. I mean, I don't really need the case. I mean, I used to have a Dre Beats, which also has its case, but I've never used it actually, because I usually put it on my head or on my neck. Let's see. So yeah. Oh yeah, the other thing the 1000 had, which I actually liked from the 1000, is that you can spin these all the way, like what you see here. You can, you know, you can spin these all the way. See, well, I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's not a big thing. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, the main reason was the base. It's more, it looks more, this is a bit more wider or thicker, how you want to call it. More, the functionalities are more or less the same. And it's, I believe, about 50 euros or even a bit slightly more, maybe 60, 70 euros cheaper. So I'm like, come on, am I gonna spend more money on getting a different case, base being less, and the headband being a bit smaller? Of course, yeah, the leathery thing, but that's okay. I mean, this looks very nice for me. So yeah, this was the unboxing. I'll of course I'll do some testing on it, and I'll let you guys know what my findings are. Oh, even though I already did some testing before buying it, but I'll let you guys know how I like it. And this one, yeah, I'll try. Yeah, like I said, I want to just take it apart, put it on my helmet, and yeah, sure, I'll make a video of that. Why not? Okay, guys, hope you like it. Take care, and please hit that.